Hey people, during this lockdown phase, it's good to watch regional cinema. So there is this Malayalam film called Vikriti, which is a very slice of life kind of film, except that the lead characters, uh, the this couple is supposed to be mute, but still we are shown that just how committed two people can be, to a marriage and to their little family. Of course, the storyline is it also involves, once you watch it, you will get to know that it's about how society in general, we are not too sensitive towards, you know people would who are differently abled. The lead character in the movie is mute, so it's just but that's what I mean. Such a movie needs to be watched because it's very it you'll suddenly wake up and realize that this all such a person can exist in your near surroundings and we won't realize it. So a movie like this celebrates the common, the ordinary, which is in fact the extraordinary. So you all can watch it on Netflix, people. It's called Vikriti. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.